Hi guys, here is this week's top crypto news for realtors. Snoop Dogg and Eminem performed in the Metaverse for the MTV's Video Music Awards. What were they promoting? The bankrupt crypto platform Celsius requests $50 million be returned to a select group of customers. Which customers? The House of Representatives Oversight Committee requested, quote unquote, documents from the top crypto companies. Why? Hi, I'm Rich Hopen. I'm the creator of Crypto News for Realtors and a real estate broker with Compass in New Jersey. Throughout the week, I monitor the crypto news and major news and crypto publications, and I listen to crypto podcasts, and I follow the crypto influencers on social. I sift through it all and write a weekly newsletter with about 1,000 active subscribers and a 73% open rate. I write the Crypto Corner for Inman, and I give crypto presentations to real estate offices around the U.S. And now I'm taking my best crypto content and making YouTube videos. And I do this really for three reasons. Number one, crypto is complex, it's fascinating, and it's evolving quickly. And I believe crypto is going to change our economy and real estate. Two, it's early days in crypto, and I want to position myself as a crypto leader in my real estate market. And three, I want to share what I'm learning so you can be the crypto leader in your market. But before I jump into this week's news, if you could do me a huge favor, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel and stay up to date on crypto news. So let's get into the news for this week. Snoop Dogg and Eminem in the Metaverse. Here on planet Earth, as crypto is fighting economic and regulatory headwinds, there's a party in the Metaverse. MTV's Video Music Awards featured rap artists Snoop Dogg and Eminem singing as their Bored Ape Yacht Club's NFTs. Yuga Labs, the owner of BAYC, is building a game called Otherside, where people can earn digital real estate with NFTs. The digital real estate is called Other Deeds, and 55,000 virtual plots were auctioned in October. Within 3 hours, all the lots were sold for a total of 16.7 million ApeCoin, or $317 million in 3 hours. Incredible. Bankrupt Celsius Network requested $50 million be returned to some of its customers. This week, Celsius Network petitioned their bankruptcy judge to release $50 million of crypto to customers who had custodial accounts. And custodial accounts don't offer yield. It's similar to having a safety security deposit at a traditional bank. So customers never relinquish control of their contents, in this case, their crypto title, to Celsius. There were about 58,300 Celsius custodial accounts totaling $200 million. And they had asked for 50 million of those be returned to those custodial accounts. There were other customers who sought to earn interest, who also transferred title to their crypto to Celsius. The earned accounts totaled 4.2 billion. Celsius's liabilities are about 6.7 billion. Its assets are 3.9 billion. That leaves a shortfall of 2.8 billion. House Oversight Subcommittee seeks information from crypto companies. On August 1st, Chair Raja Krishnamurthy sent letters to several large crypto companies requesting documents showing how fraud risks are being addressed. The letter states, "I'm concerned about the growth of fraud and consumer abuse linked to cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency exchanges must themselves act to protect consumers who conduct transactions through their platforms. By implementing audit policies, requiring certain disclosures and delisting, and adopting other safety mechanisms, cryptocurrency exchanges can and should create a safer environment for consumers." So that letter went out to several of the major crypto exchanges, and it was a massive document request. That's it for this week's news. But before I go, I want to mention an interesting conference that's taking place this week in London. It's an anti-crypto conference, and it's really there to promote critical review of the cryptocurrency space. It's called, quote, Crypto Policy Symposium 2022. And it's going to cover regulations, policy, systemic risk, NFTs, DeFi, Web3, and blockchains. Now, I have mixed feelings about the conference. While I support a venue for naysayers, I'm not sure what will help address the risks. Ideally, this would be a conference that would be crypto agnostic and feature experts with all perspectives. Perhaps the crypto industry has not yet matured enough to hold conferences drawing cynics and supporters. I haven't attended any crypto conferences. I've talked to people that have, but what they've told me and what I've read and what I've seen in videos, attendees were beyond bullish about crypto's future. And if I was a cynic, I wouldn't feel very welcome at such a venue. So in the crypto real estate space, not yet. I haven't seen events that cover a multitude of perspective on how real estate will be impacted by crypto, but maybe, hopefully in 2023. Until then, I'll continue to write about crypto and crypto's challenges and opportunities. If you'd like to find out about this week's top crypto resource and influencer, go to my blog post by clicking on the link below. I also address a really important accounting issue facing companies who hold crypto. And if you have any crypto comments or questions, reach out to me, write the questions below. And remember, stay crypto curious. It's still very early days, and now's a great time to become a savvy crypto agent. And if you have any questions about real estate in New Jersey, reach out to me. And that's it. I'll see you next time.